Good morning, students. So today we read about kinds of quadrilateral. So we read about different polygons. So what is quadrilateral? A closed figure with four straight lines. If a figure has a four straight line and it is a closed figure, then it is called quadrilateral. So we have different types of quadrilaterals. So kinds of quadrilateral we know before, that one is rectangle, square, then trapezium, then parallelogram, then rhombus. Okay, so you know about very well about rectangle and square. Then also I am just we will give some hints for rectangle. So rectangle was, it is A B C D. Here picture is shown here. It is rectangle. So what is when a quadrilateral is called rectangle? When a quadrilateral has opposite sides are equal and parallel. If a quadrilateral has opposite sides, which are opposite sides? AB opposite to CD, then AD opposite to BC, AB opposite to DC, AD opposite to BC. Okay, when the opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other, then that is called rectangle. All rectangles, each angle is 90 degree. Okay, so each angle is what? 90 degree, and generally a quadrilateral's four angles, interior angles, total sum is 360 degree. So all angles 360 degree and each angle is equal to each other, that is 90 degree. Then another property is what? A diagonal are equal to each other. Diagonal, which are diagonals? A, C, B, D. A, C, B, D. They are called diagonals of a rectangle. And they are what? Equal to each other and they are bisect with each other. Bisect means A, C, B, D, they are both equal to each other, equal length. Bisect means when they means suppose it is O, AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD. AO equal to OCO, then BO equal to DO. That means they are bisect each other, they divide with each other equal the length. And also what they form angles? One is obtuse angle, one is acute angle. Okay, so they form at center, that is obtuse angle, acute angle. What is obtuse angle, acute angle? More than 0, less than 90, that is acute angle. Obtuse angle more than 90, less than 180, that is called obtuse angle. So at center the diagonals create one obtuse angle, one acute angle. Means two angles, two acute angles, two obtuse angles, and these opposite, though these two lines are or the diagonals are intersect with each other, then opposite angles here also equal to each other. Okay, so a quadrilateral is called a rectangle when its opposite sides are equal and parallel, diagonals are equal, every angles are 90 degree, that is called rectangle. Rectangle is when it will be same as square when the two diagonals are equal. If a square, this is another square AB, square ABCD, if diagonals AC equal to BD, then it is called square. All properties same as the rectangles. Only difference is the diagonals are equal and they intersect each other, and also what? They create 90 degree. Here what? Acute angle, obtuse angle, but here they intersect at 90 degree. Okay, and all sides are equal. Here opposite sides equal. A square has all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Okay, a square has all sides equal, opposite sides are parallel, all angles are 90 degree, and diagonals are intersect each other at 90 degree and so bisect each other. They intersect and bisect with each other. So this is all about rectangle and square property. Now trapezium. Another quadrilateral is trapezium. What is trapezium? When a quadrilateral's opposite sides parallel. Opposite sides means AB, AC. When AB parallel to DC, it is called what? It is called trapezium. Okay. So only opposite one pair sides, if they are parallel to each other, then that is called trapezium. Another property is what? Suppose a trapezium's other two sides, which is non-parallel sides, are equal to each other. Suppose AD equal to BC. Suppose AD equal to BC, then it is called isosceles trapezium. Okay. So if a quadrilateral has one pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other, they are called trapezium. If a trapezium's non-parallel sides are equal to each other, then they are called isosceles trapezium. Then come to parallelogram. So what is parallelogram? A parallelogram, a quadrilateral is called a parallelogram when its opposite sides are parallel and equal. What are the opposite sides? AB parallel to DC, then AD parallel to BC, then they are called parallelogram, and they are equal to each other also. And what? AB equal to DC, AD equal to BC. They are parallel and equal. Then that is called parallelogram. But another property, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles means A is equal to C, D is equal to B. That is angle A equal to angle C, angle D equal to angle B. Okay. Another one is diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So what are diagonals? AC and BD, they are bisect with each other. Here point means, suppose it is O, AO equal to CO, DO equal to BO. Okay, that means they are bisect with each other. Then consecutive angles are supplementary. Consecutive angles means what? Suppose A opposite angle is C, but A's consecutive angle is D, another consecutive angle is B. B's consecutive angle A, B's consecutive angle C. So sum of two consecutive angle is supplementary. Supplementary means 180. So what are supplementary angles? Complementary angles, you remind little. When sum of two angles is 90, then they complement to each other. When two angles sum is 180 degrees, then they are called supplement to each other. So when you add, suppose A with B, you get 180 degree of a parallelogram. When you add B with C, you get 180 degree. When you add C with D, also 180 degree. When you add D with A, 180 degree means consecutive. Which A's consecutive is B, B's consecutive is C, C's consecutive D, D's A. So here saying consecutive angles are supplementary to each other. So every quadrilateral 4 angles, sum of 4 angles, interior angles 360. But in case of parallelogram, the opposite angles equal and sum of two consecutive angles is 180, or that is supplementary to each other. Now another two quadrilaterals, that is kite and rhombus. Okay. So kite is a special kind of quadrilateral. Okay. So it is what? You know, you play with kites and you flew the kite. That is here AB equal to AC. These two sides are equal to each other and these two sides are equal to each other. BD equal to CD. Okay. AB equal to AC, BD equal to DC, and these diagonals AD and BC, they intersect with each other, that is create 90 degree, not equality, not bisect. They intersect at 0 at O, they are at 90 degree, they create 90 degree each. Okay, this is a special kind of quadrilateral, is a kite. Then another is rhombus. So what is rhombus? A quadrilateral is called rhombus when opposite sides are equal. Its all opposite sides are Rhombus opposite, all sides are equal and opposite sides are equal to each other. All sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay. A, B, C, D. Opposites are parallel means AB parallel to CD. Then AD parallel to BC. AB parallel to CD. AD parallel to BC. Their opposite sides are parallel each other. All sides are equal. Means that is AB equal to AD equal to BC equal to CB. All sides are equivalent. Diagonals are intersected at 90 degree. Diagonals, they are intersected at 90 degree. Opposite angles are also equal. Opposite angles equal means angle A equal to angle C, angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle D. Opposite angles are also equal. Diagonals bisect angles of rhombus. They are also bisect means BO equal to DO, AO equal to CO. Bisect each other, create 90 degree. Then sum of two adjacent angles are supplementary or 180 degree. Suppose you had B and C, that 180, C and D 180, D and A 180, Y and B 180. So sum of two adjacent angles are also 180 degree. So this is different types of quadrilaterals. So we read what? Square, rectangle, then trapezium, parallelogram, kite and rhombus. So these are different types of quadrilaterals. So a quadrilateral which is a closed figure with four sides, also according to their properties, according to their sides, different names are given. Okay. So in next video we solve some problems related to this quadrilaterals. Okay. So I hope you understood all these things. This is for all about today's. Thank you.